How to find the highest common factor of two numbers quickly? Hi everyone, listen. Let me introduce you to shortcut method to find the HCF. Take the smaller number, which is 24. Start dividing it by prime numbers starting from 2. Continue dividing until you can't divide any more. So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now let's do the same with 36. So we have the factors of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now the time to find the HCF. So we take the common factors. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. So HCF is 12.